Dear audience, welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss on the relation among P, I, N and R. The relation among P, I, N and R is I equals PNR, where I is the simple profit or interest, P is the principal, N is the net time in a year, R is the rate of profit or the rate of loss. Here are some example relating with P, I, N and R. That means depending on the relation. Here are some examples. In the first example we get, a person deposited 10,000 taka in a bank at 5% profit for 10 years. What amount of profit would he get after 10 years? From the question we get, the principal P is 10,000 taka since he deposited 10,000 taka in the bank. Again, the rate of profit is R equals 5%, and 5% can be written as 5 by 100, which means 1 divided by 20. And we also get the time, N equals 10 years from the question. But we have to determine here the amount of profit. So we have to consider it. Let the amount of profit be I. We know that the relation among I, P, and R is I equals PNR. In next line, putting the values of P, N, and R in this equation, we get I equals 10,000 times of 10 times of 1 divided by 20. And after calculation, we get I equals 5,000 taka. So the person will get 5,000 taka as a profit after 10 years. In the next example, we get a person got 5,000 taka from a bank depositing money at 5% profit for 10 years as a profit. What amount did he deposited in the bank? Solution. Given that the profit is I equals 5,000 taka, it is given in the question. The rate of profit is R equals 5%, that means 1 divided by 20, and the time is N equals 10 years. We have to determine the amount he deposited in the bank, that means principal. Let the principal be P. We know that the relation is I equals PNR, and from this relation we can write PNR equals I. That means P equals I divided by NR. Now putting the values of I, N and R in this equation, we get P equals 5,000 divided by 10 into 1 divided by 20. Now after doing calculation, we get P equals 10,000 taka. So he deposited 10,000 taka in the bank. Let's have a look on the example number 3. From here we get a person deposited 10,000 taka in a bank for 10 years and earned 5,000 taka as a profit. What was the bank's rate of profit? From the question we get, the principal is P equals 10,000 taka, time is N equals 10 years, and the amount of profit is I equals 5,000 taka. We have to find out the bank's rate of profit. Let us consider the rate of profit be R. We know that I equals PNR, so PNR equals I, R equals I divided by PN. Now putting the values of I, P and N on the right side of this equation, we get R equals 5000 divided by 10,000 into 10. So R equals 1 divided by 20, multiplying by 100% means 1, we get 1 divided by 20 into 100%. After calculation, we get R equals 5%. So the rate of profit of the bank is 5%. In the last example, we get a person deposited 10,000 taka in a bank at 5% profit. In how many years will he get 5,000 taka as the profit from the bank? From the question, we get P equals 10,000 taka, R equals 1 divided by 20, and profit is I equals 5,000 taka. It is required to determine the time. So let the time be N. We know that from the relation I equals P and R. So from here we can write N equals I divided by P R. Now putting the values of I, P and R in this relation, we get N equals 5,000 divided by 10,000 into 1 divided by 20. So N equals 5,000 divided by 500. So N equals 10 years. So in 10 years, you will get 5,000 taka as the profit from the bank. So answer is 10 years. For the assessment, I give some problem, and I hope that pausing the video, you will write down the questions in the script, then try to solve it yourself in home. And dear audience, I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.